Good morning, everyone. Today we will be reporting about excretory system by Kurt Josiah and John Kester. The excretory system. The excretory system is composed of organs that belong to the different systems of the body. These are combination of different organs that allow the body to remove metabolic waste. The functions of the excretory system are as follows. Number 1. It removes metabolic waste. Number 2. It prevents harmful chemical buildup. Number 3. It controls the volume of water inside the body. And number 4. It maintains homeostasis, which is the body's ability to keep a stable internal environment despite the changes outside. Kidney. Kidney is one of the primary organs of the excretory system. There are two kidneys in the body. Each kidney is shaped like a bean and has a smooth surface. The kidney can be divided into outer and middle parts. The outer part is called the cortex. It contains multiple tiny nephrons, and the middle part of the kidney is called medulla. It contains fan-shaped structures called pyramids. Nephrons. A nephron is made of a renal corpuscle and tubulin that filter blood. Inside the renal corpuscle is a ball of capillaries called glomerulus, and the glomerular capsule called Bowman's capsule. The waste and water become urine, which flows to the urinary bladder through tubes called uterus. The bladder drains urine out of the body through a tube called urethra. This is the urinary system. I will now pass the report to Sean.
The lungs have an important role in our excretory system. The excretion of metabolic waste carbon dioxide. After an extreme activity, you will notice that you pant. Panting is the body's coping mechanism to get rid of metabolic waste. Other excretory organs. The liver and the large intestines are organs of the digestive system. They also work as excretory organs by removing metabolic wasted from the cells of the body. The protein that you eat is very important for the body building and repair process. In order for protein to be absorbed by the body, it has to be broken down into smaller bits called amino acids. Urinary tract infection, or what is called UTI. The urinary tract is the path where urine passes through as it exits the body. Infections happen when the bacteria called Escherichia coli, or which are normally found in the intestine, go to the urethra and up to the bladder. Renal failure is the condition in which kidney is not able to filter the waste of the blood. This disease can either be acute or chronic. Acute renal failure happens when the kidney suddenly stops its filtration process. Chronic renal failure happens when the filtration of the kidney slows down gradually and the kidney cannot function normally anymore. Hemodialysis is the most common type of dialysis. The blood of the patient enters a tube that goes into a machine that will clean it of waste and return it into the body. Some patients use renal dialysis. It involves the use of lining in the abdomen called peritoneum as a filter. Proper care for the excretory system. Drink plenty of water. You should drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. This will reduce the amount of salt in your urine. Number 2. Use the bathroom when needed. Holding your urine for too long increases the risk of urinary tract infection. Number 3. Gently wash your genital area every day after urinating. Number 4. Wear clean and loose cotton undergarments to keep the area around the urethra dry. Tight jeans and underwear allow bacteria to grow. Number 5. Eat nutritious food rich in fiber. Avoid salty and fatty food. Number 6. Exercise regularly. Thank you.
You
By
for the
Sean S.
information.